welcome to another video from me. And today it will be a really interesting video because I will draw a human brain. So I will draw quite a realistic sketch of a human brain. So the outline will take me, I think, maybe a couple of minutes. So this is the first time I'm gonna draw a drawing like this, so bear with me and let's go. So the outline for this will be quite easy. So really you have to draw this freehand because the size and the shape of human brain is really easy to draw. So because you have to draw this freehand, and so the lines don't have to be really straight, so they can if you are not really good in drawing a straight line, this is a drawing for you actually, because it's the thing that you need. You don't need straight lines. So basically here it is. So this is the basic outline. Now what we have, we need to have these lines here all over. So this is the hardest part, I think, in the drawing itself. So we have to draw the lines all over the drawing. So I will start with this side here. You can really imagine, you can really just draw lines where you want them to be. You have to have some sort of logic, like nothing more, because the lines have to be how like really out of nowhere. So basically this, I guess most of you know, and maybe from the movies or wherever you have seen how the brain looks. So I'm just gonna draw these lines all over. So I'm gonna draw them here. So I'm just really on the spot imagining where the lines could be. So actually it's tougher than I thought actually. So so this line is gonna go here. Here will go another one. So let's go one here, then here. So this is gonna be the darker spot. So let's come here. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw these lines here, and then I'm gonna speed the drawing up. So because I'm gonna use 4B pencil and I'm gonna shade these lines here, so you will really see I will draw this quite realistic. So now we have it's actually really hard because you can't really draw the lines where you want them. You need to have some sort of proportion. So I think I have to finish this line here with this here, and let's go here down. Okay, so this line will come here, then it will come here, but this is quite easy drawing for you to learn shading and the basics. So here it will have some, here we're gonna have some lines. So here, so half done, almost half done. Here let's go down here. So maybe from anatomy's perspective it will not look 100% right, because I'm really imagining the lines. I'm not really keeping in my head how the brain actually looks. So I'm just trying from my memory, trying to memorize like how it looks. So this may not be the exact way, because I'm not really looking anywhere. I'm just trying to, from my memory, just trying to draw this. So, but the end result I think will be quite good. That's actually what we need, basically. We need that end result. So I think this part we have to have them one line more here. Here is almost everything is good, but here I'm gonna do one line here, one line more. So soon I think I will be done with this. So one here, then another one here. So yeah, I think it looks quite good. Here, this point, this maybe looks too big, so somehow I think I will need to divide this. I think I'm gonna draw this line here. This is also looks too big, so maybe some lines will go here. And yeah, I think this will be done. Here will be some lines. This is the lower part of, this is gonna be the lower part of the brain. This is gonna be darker than the rest of it. And so we need some lines here, because this has to be a little bit smaller. So let's draw one here. Okay, so a couple lines here. Let's make this like this, then here. So yeah, I think I need some lines here too. So let's go up, and yeah, so let's go here. So this is gonna be here, and yeah, there it is. Now I'm gonna switch the pencil. I used 2B for this, for the outline. Now I'm gonna use 4B, and basically what I will do is I will draw the darker spots. I will redraw the darker lines. I will shade them a bit. Quite an easy shading, as you will see. Nothing too difficult, but I think the result will be good. So we need to achieve that contrast here. So let's see you guys in the end with some final words. So hello guys again, and I'm back with just the last minutes of me drawing this drawing, and it looks great. It looks great. Like I said, I will achieve a lot of contrast, and the shading was super easy. You will be able to see everything. This is really easy drawing for you to draw. I used 4B pencil for this. Like, it's really easy to get the contrast, and the drawing really looks great. You know, you just draw darker here, and then you just don't really even shade the middle. Like, I wasn't even shading, I just did the line. So I could have shaded, I could have made this drawing a little bit more difficult. I could have shaded everything, but I just really shaded really rough. I just did the darker spots and the white highlights I really just left blank, but the end result looks really great. So I hope you like this drawing. This is the first time I did a drawing of the human brain, so I will be editing this, and maybe I'll post this tomorrow or on the weekends, because I have a couple of videos already pre-filmed. I have some portraits on the way, and I am also thinking of making a drawing course, and just a lot of content, creating a lot of content for you guys, and still thinking about new drawing ideas, new video ideas to grow my channel a bit, and yeah, so really thinking how to improve my content and the quality of my content. So still drawing easy sketches like this. It took me actually, I think, hour and a half, so not that easy. I see a lot of guys that are posting that some drawings took them an hour or more, and just because my drawings are speeded a little bit and I finished them in 10 minutes doesn't mean that I spent 10 minutes. You know, like this drawing too, I was drawing this for an hour and a half, so if you can draw this in an hour and you like the results, so that's great, even better than me. So be proud of yourself and just keep drawing. It really takes a lot of time, even just like, you know, shading like this. Like for example, 2.5 minutes already shading a couple lines. So it of course takes time. That's why if you want to draw, you have to develop patience. You know, that's really one of the things you actually need to be able to draw. You need to be patient because it just takes a lot of time. So I will be done with this drawing, guys. I will not shade it. I think maybe I'll shade for the final image. Not shade, I mean I will use synthetic brush and just smudge all over. But I really like the contrast because then the contrast will disappear if I smudge it, because 4B graphite pencil are really smudgy. So thank you guys for watching this video, and be sure to like and comment and give any feedback if you want. And yeah, let's see you guys in my next videos.